For a short dipole placed at origin O, the dipole moment P is along x-axis as shown in the figure. If the electric potential and electric field at A are V0 and E0 respectively, then the correct combination of electric potential and electric field respectively at point B on the y-axis is given by. So the dipole is at O and it is in the x direction and the moment of dipole is P. The field at A, now the electric field at A, E at A is equal to E0. Now E0 is, if the dipole is in the x direction and point is also in the x direction, that is the axial position, we know the dipole moment, then the electric field becomes 2p divided by rq. So 2p by rq, r is the distance from the dipole to the field point, that is 2p by rq. So EA is 2p by rq equal to E0. Now for the point B, the electric field E at B is equal to, now the dipole is in the x direction and the point is in the y direction, that is in the perpendicular position. So now for perpendicular position, the electric field E becomes P divided by RQ, that is the distance from O to B is 2r, that is R is here twice R. So the distance between O and B is twice R, so twice R whole cube, that is P divided by 8 RQ. Now from 1 we can write P by RQ is equal to E0 by 2. So E0 is 2P by RQ, so P by RQ is E0 by 2. So 1 by 8 into E0 by 2, that is E0 by 16. So this is the value of the electric field at point B. So we get the electric field at B. Now we have to find the electric potential. So we know the potential at any point V is equal to P vector dot r cap divided by r square. Now for point A, VA is equal to V0 given, so V0 and P vector dot r. So for the P vector is in the x direction and for the point on the x-axis the r vector is also in the same direction. So the angle between P and R is 0, that is P vector dot r cap is r cap, the angle is cos 0, cos 0 is 1, that is P divided by r square. So V0 is P by r square. Now for point B, VB is equal to P dot r cap divided by r square. So the distance is twice r, so twice r whole square. Now for a point in the y-axis, the P vector is in the x direction and the point is in the y direction, so the r cap is in the y direction. So the angle between them, that is r cap in this direction and P vector in the x direction, so the angle between them is 90 degree. So P dot r cap, that is P cos 90, cos 90 is 0, so 0, VB is equal to 0, that is the electric potential at point B is 0 and point A is E0 by 16, that is here option 3 is the correct answer. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you.